My name is Gord Gill. I'm the owner of Pinnacle Indoor Climbing and Joey's World Family Indoor Playground. We're located at 330 Lake Road in Bowmanville. The reason why we looked at HVLS fans is because of the high ceiling here, and we had problems with air circulation. With the height of the ceiling and with the temperature being much hotter up there, the HVLS fan gave us such an advantage to air circulation and the general feel of the entire building. We chose Envira-North because it is a true Canadian company. Like everything else in our facility, with the rock climbing, play structure, the kids' activities, we really found an advantage staying local, staying with a true Canadian company to get the best value for the money that we did spend on the fan. Before the HVLS fan came to our facility, some of the problems we were having was climbers were climbing up to the 40 feet towards the ceiling of the facility, and there was such a difference in temperature. The higher the climber went up in the air, the hotter it got. While the ground was quite cold, the air was stagnant basically in such a large building. The second we turned on the HVLS fan, instantaneously we felt air move. It provided us massive cost savings because we had contemplated on getting bigger AC and heating units to move the air around, which obviously wasn't needed. What we have noticed was feedback from the customers. That was foremost most important for our needs to make sure the climbers were comfortable in a gym setting. I would highly recommend any business building that has any problems with air circulation to purchase an Envira-North HVLS fan right away. Matter of fact, we're going to be purchasing another one on our other side of the building because we are very impressed with the air circulation that the fan provides our building.